Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So with the recent rollout of Edge version 149, Microsoft deprecated the collections feature and the sidebar feature. And I have seen comments that the collections and the sidebar were the two main reasons that some folks were actually using Edge. Now the good news is I did post a video earlier today showing you how you can get collections back and working in the stable version of Microsoft Edge. I'll leave the video linked. And now it's time to show you how you can get the sidebar feature back and working in the stable version of Microsoft Edge. And it's a very similar process to how I showed you in the previous video, just using a different command line flag. So if you want to bring back the sidebar, what we have to do is we need to apply this command line flag, which I'll leave in the description for you to copy and paste. So you would head to the description, you would copy that, and then using any shortcut of Microsoft Edge, I'm going to use the one on my taskbar. You would right click on the shortcut, click on properties, and to the right of the text in the target field, at the end of that, you would leave a space. As always, if you don't leave that space, this won't work. So that's an important step. Leave the space and then paste the command line flag in. So end of text, leave a space, command line flag, click on apply, click on OK. If the browser's open, you must close it. Relaunch the browser. And there you'll see the sidebar is back and working in Microsoft Edge with your different shortcuts that you have pinned. Obviously, you can add to your personal choice and preference. But I think that's great because the sidebar, as mentioned previously, was the main reason why a lot of folks were actually using Microsoft Edge in the first place. Now, one or two things to take note of is that if we head into our main menu settings and we head over to appearance, you do have the sidebar settings that have been restored using this command line flag. So you've got always on, auto hidden, or turn it off. So just take note of that. So if you do apply the command line flag and you're not seeing the sidebar, make sure that you come to this setting and make sure always on is enabled. And just like the previous video, keep in mind that Microsoft could remove this workaround at any time. Okay, that's important, but it does work at the time of posting today on the 12th of June, 2026. And according to Leo Peaver 64 over on X, who spotted this workaround, it still works in version 151, which is currently the latest Canary version of the browser, which is an early preview version. So there's a good chance we've got up until at least 151 to restore and get the sidebar back and working. But nonetheless, that's how you can do it if you so wish. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.